Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Hardeep and today we are going to learn how to do soft gel nails that last for 5 weeks. For preparation, you will need a cuticle pusher, nipper, pH bond, nail primer, cuticle softener, nail file and buffer, whatever you prefer. You will need lint-free cotton wipes, a cleanser brush, alcohol, and some acetone. I'll be using GND soft gel tip glue and my favorite style of soft gel tips. I'll be using long tips today and this flash cure lamp. And today I'll be wearing my anti UV gloves by Modelons. Recently I've been using a UV lamp more often as I've been doing nails every 2 to 3 days, creating videos, and I don't want to ruin my skin due to overexposure. Doing nails after 2 to 3 weeks is fine. These gloves are nice and soft, very flexible, and cost only $10. I got these from Amazon. They have a nice length and fully cover my fingers. Pretty neat, right? First, you want to clean up your nails. I'm just removing my old nail polish with the help of acetone. You may want to clip your nails and then shape them with a nail file. Just don't make them too round as you don't want your glue to flood to the sides. Next, I'm going to apply cuticle softener. The key to long lasting nails is actually how you prep your nails. This is what they do in nail salons and you get long lasting results. After pushing back your cuticles, you just want to remove all the dead skin. Only dead skin. You want your nails to be free from any kind of debris so your product can stick to the actual nail plate rather than your skin. I'm pushing back my cuticles very gently as you don't want to dig in but just scrape the dead skin away with the help of your pusher so you can cut it later with the nipper. Being very gentle, I'll finish all my nails and then I'll come back. After that, you want to cleanse your nails with alcohol and then start nipping away all the loose skin around your cuticles that you pushed back. Avoid cutting living skin to prevent bleeding, and you don't want that. It's all about how you prep your nails before the actual product application. You want your nails to be really clean so there is nothing left behind on your nail plate, because when there are debris or anything else, then your product will likely lift. See how my nails are looking really clean and they are ready for the next steps. This is what you want. Here is another tip. You can remove anything left with the help of your nail file by using its corners. Just buff away anything left near your cuticle areas to be more sure. Place your nail file at an angle, not flat, and then keep scraping gently. Trust me, if you follow my guide, you will have salon quality results. Dust it off with a brush and then cleanse your nails again with alcohol. You don't want a single trace of any dust or dead skin. Then this is how we buff our nail surface to remove the shiny layer. As you can see, this nail file has two different sides One is smooth and other is rough. By using the rough side of your nail file, you want to file only in one direction from left to right. You don't want to go in circular motions or a mix of different motions. Just file from left to right in one direction only, as you don't want to make your nail plate too smooth by going in all directions. You just want to add a texture so that your nail product can have a nice surface to grip onto. I'm just trying to remove all the shine from my nail surface, and this is the texture that we want for the nail glue. I use a matte top coat before buffing the shiny layer to show you how to actually buff your nails. So you don't use any kind of nail polish on you and just want to buff your nails without any product, as I do nails every 2 to 3 days because I create videos. That's why I can't buff my nails every day for the demonstration purposes. Just wanted to let you know, that's it. Then cleanse your nails again. Now we are ready for the next steps, which are the product application. So I got my tips here and I'm going to measure the size of each tip. As you can see, this tip is a little bit small and is not fitting side to side. This is not the right size, so we have to try another one. Your tip should always fit from side to side without any pressure. So I'm taking another tip and trying this one. This tip actually fits side to side on my natural nail, but I will have to file near the cuticle areas to make sure it matches the shape of my natural nails. I'm just trying to file a little bit so it matches. I'm also removing the extra plastic sticking around, and then it fits nicely and looks nice. I'm measuring the size of other tips too. So, as promised, we are not going to use any drill. With the help of primer, we are going to chemically etch the underside of our soft gel tip. Basically, the logic is to create a texture under the tip, and we can achieve the same texture without a drill by applying and scrubbing the nail primer. See, this is textured underside. Now our product can stick very well. This is how I keep my nail tips once I have prepped them so that I can easily access them while doing the actual application. Just stick them upside down on the nail stand and keep them aside, and then cleanse your nail plates. First, we are going to apply pH bond. Use a small amount of pH bond and always avoid touching your skin with any chemicals, as you don't want any allergies or chemical reactions. Avoid touching your skin and keep applying a thin layer of your product. Here is a reminder that these prep products are only active for 10 to 15 minutes and you want to finish your nails within that time frame. If you really want your nails to last long and your products to work while you're doing your nails, apply a thin layer of nail primer without touching your skin again. Next, take soft gel tip glue and apply a thin layer. This is the base layer that we will cure for 30 seconds. Clean around anything you don't want to cure on your skin. Apply it on all your nails at once and then cure it for 30 seconds. Then take your tiny flash curing lamp, and instead of starting from the thumb, we are actually going to start doing our nails from the pinky fingers. I take a nail tip, start spreading the glue, and then scrape the remaining glue onto the tip. We want to have clean cuticles without flooding them with glue. So I'm just pushing back the glue from the cuticle areas so that it won't flood back to my nails. Clean the tip and use your other finger as a support finger underneath. At an angle, apply a little pressure and the glue will move automatically. Flash cure your tip for 5 seconds. Look how clean it is. It looks nice and clean, and I'm sure this tip will not lift. Here is another one. Spread the glue, scrape the rest of the glue onto the tip, move the glue away from your cuticle areas, and then support the finger at an angle. Apply a little pressure, no matter if it's 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle, it should be an angle. Apply a little pressure and then cure for 5 seconds. I'm doing my other nails and I don't really worry about the extra glue sticking underneath as it's not too much and not messy. After that, you want to do a full cure in a full lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so my nails are done. Next, you want to blend your tips. In this little dish, I'm pouring acetone, and with the help of a cleanser brush, I take some acetone without saturating my nail tip. I just kind of scrub it in. Acetone is going to melt down the plastic tip and will make it very polished and blended into the natural nail, giving us more beautiful and clean looking nails. This is optional if you want to do it or not. I just like to do it because I want my gel polish to last long. I'm going to buff my tip with the smooth side of nail file. Dust off the dust and cleanse with alcohol. Now comes the nail art part. I purchased these craft watercolors from Walmart and I'm going to use this color palette because I will be using magenta. I take my water and this thin brush that I'll be using. First, I'm going to apply white gel polish as a base. Just apply a thin layer while pushing back the gel polish by feathering out your brush, as it will give you nice clean cuticles. After that, you want to cure your gel polish for 30 seconds. I'm also adding a layer of sheer gel polish because I don't want my nails to look too white. Again, I cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to use this super matte top coat only on my nails that I'm going to do nail art on. For the rest of the nails, I'll be applying a shiny top coat because the matte top coat is going to make a nice canvas for the watercolors. You want to cure your top coats for 60 seconds. So our two nails are ready for the nail art. I dip my nail art brush in water and then add water to the color, trying to activate the color with the water and brush. You can also use another nail art brush to mix the color and water properly. Colors and waters, colors and waters. Just have fun with it. This is where you can let your creativity shine. I'm going to apply magenta watercolor on one of my nails, just a light touch with the brush and see how it spreads. Adding more color for a darker look. Clean the brush for later use. Shape each dot into a petal. This is an abstract nail art, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Let the color flow naturally. This is what makes each design unique and personal. By blending with a tiny drop of water. Play with the water drops to create your design. Add a dot of black gel polish and paint a line to join each flower. Use green watercolor for leaves. To add details, use golden gel to outline the flowers. You might not see me again, so subscribe to stay connected and see more easy content like this. Cure for 60 seconds. Add rhinestones in the middle with Modelon's UV glue. Once the watercolor is dry, I'm sealing it with a shiny top coat. This step is crucial to protect your beautiful artwork and make it last. Cure it for 60 seconds. Try these tips and thank me later. Let me know how you liked this guide. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you again and bye bye.